Hello, welcome to Lola's Tasty Kitchen. Today I am going to be teaching you how to make this absolutely delicious Zobo Jam from already used Zobo leaves. In my Zobo video, I kept my used Zobo leaves, which is what I'll be using for this jam. The link is in my description box. I'll be using 2 cups of sugar. You can use more if you like. Now I'll be blending my Zobo leaves with 3 cups of water. This is what it should look like. I'll be adding a cup of water. What we're trying to achieve is a not too thick consistency and not too watery so that our jam can cook faster. We'll be cooking this for about 20 minutes while stirring occasionally. This jam is a little bit spicy because of the spices we added in our zobo. You can reduce the quantity of spice in your zobo if you don't want your jam to be spicy. If you have the intention of making zobo jam, you can't run water over your leaves, else all you'll be left with will be chaff and your jam won't taste nice. Remember to take out whatever you made the zobo with. All we need are the leaves and the pulp. In my case, I took out the cinnamon stick, pineapple, and oranges, but I removed the pulp, which I blended with the leaves. Don't worry, the leaves would have absorbed all the flavor. We keep boiling until it begins to get thicker. Then I'll turn the heat to low to prevent burning. Our jam is beginning to set, but we're not there yet. At this point, we'll be adding our brandy. You can also use rum. The alcohol would burn off, leaving just the flavor. Yes, our jam is set. This is what we're aiming for. Just take a look at this. Absolutely yummy, delightful. Can't wait to try this with crackers and bread. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.